Hello, my name is Tushar Kulkarni and I'm from Mumbai, India. I have a bachelor's degree in food technology, a master's degree in nutrition biology, and now Erasmus Mundus master's degree in FIBDES. I would like to introduce myself as a food technologist who aims to bridge the gap between food science, nutrition, and health. And that's why I chose UNINA as my study track. So before I begin, I would like to bring your attention to a very important fact that diabetes and obesity are increasing at an alarming rate. Obesity alone contributes to 4 million deaths worldwide. And of course, the dietary habits are one of the important cause for these disorders. So as a product developer or as a food technologist, what are the possible solutions from my side? Generally, we know that the solutions are to improve the processing conditions or to make use of artificial sweeteners or reducing the sugar levels. So there is also one possible strategy, that is to make use of proteins. How? So we know that during digestion, amylase is going to act on the is going to attack on starch molecules and convert it into glucose, right? So proteins can form a physical barrier on these starch molecule and thus preventing the action of amylase on the starch. So in my experiments, I tried to make use of hydrolyzed proteins, that is from pea protein isolates, and incorporated them into the bread at 5% and 20% concentration. During the leavening, it was observed that at 20% PPI concentration, the resin was significantly lowered as compared to control and 5%. Similarly, when the concentration of these pea proteins is increased, the free amino group released are also increased, but it did not have any effect on the starch hydrolysis. But surprisingly, there was an effect seen on glycemic index. As you can see in the figure that the 5% PPI incorporated bread had significantly lower glycemic index than control, but it was not observed while increasing the concentration to 20%. So why this is? This might be because when the protein concentration is increased to 20%, there is aggregation between the proteins, and therefore they cannot form the coat on the starch molecule, and therefore there is no effect seen on the glycemic index. So overall, in conclusion, I believe that pea protein isolates incorporation in bread can be a very good strategy to reduce the glycemic index of the breads. And in this way, I feel as a product developer, we can find many other strategies and contribute in making this world free from diabetes. Thank you very much.